Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and I'm going to show you how to change the fuel filter on this Renault Clio 1999 1.4. So first thing, what we're going to do, if you look at the fuel filter, there's an end here, which is sort of slightly raised. It says out on it, so we need to bear that in mind when we're fitting the fuel filter. Jack the car up on the fuel filler cap side, put axle stands under it, chock it, etc, etc. So by the rear door, come straight down, and then look up there and you'll see the fuel filter itself. Get a container underneath, and all this happens is this fuel filter slides out, but you need to disconnect these hoses first. Also note the ribbed side is closest to us, okay? So we need to do that when we put it back in. So these connections, all you do is you push that in and you pull it, push the green thing in, you pull it out towards you. There's one on each side, okay? That'll just drip into there. One on each side. Push them in together and pull them out. And then do the same on the other side. I'm gonna have to take the camera off for that though. On that side, on that side. So I told a bit of a lie. That says out, but on the other one, the arrow's pointing away. So just be careful, just because the rib side, just make sure. So I'm going to put the rib side that way towards the out of. So I'm just going to pop the filter back in its housing and put that one on, and you should hear a click. That then goes in there. And put that one. Now please don't skip off the video, because this comes the most important part. Now I am going to leave that jacked up for the time being, for when we check for leaks, but this is the most important part of the video. Now for the mechanics among us, you would have realised that there's no manual pump to bleed the system. So what you're going to do is put the key in, don't turn it all the way, just to ignition, and you'll hear the fuel pump priming the system. Okay, so not all the way, do it a couple of times. You can actually hear the fuel getting pumped in at that end. You hear that? And you can hear it from the back end as well. Once it starts making that sound from the back end, you're good to go. So on VW and Audis, it takes about 5 times, but on this Clio I've done that about 15 times. So now for the moment of truth. Make sure it's out of gear. Let it run for a minute. Make sure that don't conk out. Go under and check for leaks. Give it a feel around there as well. Make sure it's not leaking. So thanks very much for watching. Please make sure you check the comments. I'm going to put a pinned comment for a playlist for all things maintenance on this Clio. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.